Okay, this one's also by Alliance. It is a fifth wheel. Again, the difference between a fifth wheel and travel trailer is that the fifth wheel goes inside the bed of a pickup truck, preferably, excuse me, my mouth is dry, preferably a 8-cylinder pickup truck. You can use Dodge, Ford, Toyota to pull these beasts. You cannot use a small truck to pull this much weight. I think a 3/4 ton truck would do. So let's go inside and take a look. Very, very, very generous. I don't know if it's a 32-foot or 40-foot. They are rated to pass under all bridges. In case anybody's asking, they're so tall. Yes, they are. But they will go under bridges. They're legal height. Let's take a step. Alrighty. Oh, it's like a separate den in here. They still don't only have ceiling fans. That's only one that I've seen so far has ceiling fans. My body runs hot all the time. Can't barely keep anybody next to me. I'll just leave it at that. I run hot. Okay, so you have, if you don't like it, you and your spouse have a disagreement. It's raining outside on your land. You don't want to get drenched. You can come in here and cool off, and they can stay in that area and cool off. And you both can come back together and be peaceful again. Your fuse area. And let's go up the steps. Now, what I love about this, you got kids or not kids, they have a bunk area. Look at this. Nice size mattress. Wow. This restroom. And your vents are here. Storage area. Storage area. Look at the quality of this. It's plastic. I want to let you know that it's not real stone, but it's simulated, and it looks very attractive for living off the grid or camping. And you got a seat in the shower. If you have sore knees or you just happen to be a person that can't stand up long, you can sit here. I don't know the weight ratedness for this. Certainly, you know, you have to kind of check on that. You don't put too much weight on that, tear the hardware out of the wall. So standing might be best if you, like me, I weigh 220. I did weigh 242, but lost 20 pounds in the last 2 months. 22 pounds, I think. First I thought I was imagining things, but in my body I can always tell when I'm losing weight. You know, I never have been a big guy. At 5'10", you know, my weight before I went in the military was 154. When I came out of the military, I was 200. Rock and muscle. So even in my age of 67, I'm still trying to maintain that quality of health. And because I want to make it to 90 or 100. Not that the creation will go on that long, but if it does, I don't want to be in a wheelchair or on medication. Here's your barn doors, spring loaded actually. That's what's keeping it pulled back. Like a bungee cord. And there's a bed. You can put in your little night things or your lamp, or although it comes with lights overhead the bed here, there, and there. Beautiful. I can live like this until I've built something on property that I were to purchase. I don't see a washer and dryer hookup though. You have a little bench over here. You sit there. And of course the closet. I can't see because my phone is too hot and the camera went off. The light went off, I'm sorry, so I apologize. See if I can get out of the way. There you go. She has some light. See that? for storage. So, and of course you got charge for your phones or laptop, or you have to put that in the plug. Small television. Okay, so you have upstairs here, or a bunk area. Kids can climb on this ladder right here. And you go down the steps. I don't know if this would be, again, like I said, if you just want your privacy and you want to come in here and just be alone for a little bit, this is excellent. But the one I liked had a ceiling fan in it. That was, to me, awesome. So let's go in the kitchen. We have full cabinetry, air conditioning, nice quality of lighting lamps, and another air conditioning unit up there. Just look at full door. Look at this, people. So you have become accustomed to downgrading your life, where you can live minimally with less materials. This would be, my battery's reading low now. So this is definitely my last video until I charge the phone. You have your island and sink combination. And where you sit. Sorry. I apologize for that. Okay. Plug in storage. Get that out of there, but I guess you can. Deep drawers. The largest oven I've seen yet in here. So you can do very well to live in one of these travel trailers or fifth wheels, probably fifth wheels, if you get family. Not a lot of people can dwell in these, though. You have to understand that. You know, somebody would try to pack 7 or 8 people in this, and that's crazy. It's not permissible. So probably 4 people can exist in here comfortably as a family. Comfortably as possible in a vehicle this size, let's put it that way. Okay, guys, my battery's about gone. Oops, saw it. And you get your windows. And there's the missus.